Speed is key in cybersecurity. In reality, you need something that takes care of things in real time. Aston Martin exists to build the most beautiful and accomplished automotive art in the world. Whilst we're immensely proud of our over 100 years of heritage, we are forward-looking and innovative. We've got our endpoints deployed everywhere across the world, from Abu Dhabi to the US to China. Our legacy AV product, to be fair to it, was probably best described as asleep. SentinelOne for me would have fitted into the disruptor category. It was different, it was new to us, it was playing against some very well-established players in the field, and it was a lot more compelling than what the rest were bringing to the table. One of our remote sites became the subject of a ransomware attack. And we were seeing lots of alerts on the firewalls, but SentinelOne had already got stuck in and was actively dealing with it as well. And it was probably the first time we were able to rely on a tool fully to deal with an issue and be confident that we would still be able to continue to work afterwards. SentinelOne really differentiated itself at that point. Tools to do active threat hunting and to understand the attack vectors as well. It was the lightweight management aspect of it and the visibility that the team had of what was actually going on. The remaining other vendors, we couldn't actually see the wood for the trees during the POC. It looked like too much to deal with for the team. When we were building our SOC, vigilance was really a no-brainer. Although it's a service that will deal with all of your threats, they still fully involve my team, which really is key. It's not actually a closed box solution, it's a true partnership. SentinelOne really was almost like a self-driving car. It aided the team to get on and do bigger and better things.